Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Fairlady Z Nismo. This is the police car version, and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So again, I bought this for I think less than MRP. The MRP is around 499. Yeah, but I bought it for around 450 or so from Amazon if I'm not wrong. So try Amazon once before you go to your local shops. Hamleys has this one as well. So if you have Hamleys nearby, you can just go and check there. But if you want some discount, just try Amazon or Wisplex. So Wisplex is the official dealer for Tomicas in India. Okay, here is the closer look at the box. So Nissan logo is printed here. Okay, this box is actually huge compared to the last three which we unboxed, at least the last two. I think Jeep Wrangler ones is a bit big. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Yeah, one more thing, the scale actually is 1/57. It's not 1/64. Okay, that feels really nice. Okay, so my initial impressions with this car is this looks really beautiful and it is well made and it is really heavy. So only thing is, they didn't put some kind of fiber for headlights. Instead they painted it out, but still it looks really beautiful. They never mess up the logo. If you take Hot Wheels, they especially the main lines and all, they always mess up the logo, but I never saw Tomica messing up a logo. I think this one has openable doors. Let's see. Yeah, this one has openable doors, and this one is mainline. It is not a premium one. This costed around, the MRP is 499, but I don't remember now for how much I bought it. Somewhere around 450 or maybe 460 or around that range. So this is the right hand drive. The detailing looks really awesome. So the one thing is, they always use the same set of wheels for these cars. So except for the Jeep Wrangler one which we unboxed, that was totally different. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, the wheels does wobble a lot, and it is not really that good. Tomicas are not meant for tracks, so I really don't care about that much. So I'm just going to keep it in my showcase, and that's it. So apart from the rolling part, rest everything is really beautiful in this piece. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.